Hello and welcome to Southport Honda, part of the Cox Motor Group. My name's Phil. I'm here to show this beautiful HRV we've just got in. Okay, so this is Southport Honda. We're the main dealer for the Southport area. And here's the 2018 Honda HRV SE Navi, finished in brilliant sporty blue. So you've got daylight running lights, fog lights. This grille as well with the chrome accents. Car's in really nice condition, but you would expect that for the mileage that it's done. Wheels as well, very good condition. You get the chrome door handles as well. So just waiting on some plates to go back on it. Previous owner had personalised plates on it, so we're going to put some go back to the originals. You got the hidden door handles up there, makes it look much cleaner. So the HRV is a cross between a SUV and a coupe. Let's give you those sort of coupe lines, but we're still keeping the driving height. So it's thoroughly checked by our master technicians here. Will come with a 12-month warranty and a 12-month AA roadside assistance. Have a look in the back. So it has the magic seats, as you can see there, so you can lock them out of place. Fantastic. Seats are in fantastic condition, as you can see. Have a look at the boot. Very generous boot, as you can see. Not a lot of the lip here, so it's nice and easy to get in and out of. You've got your hole underneath there, your little smuggler's hole, which will fit a spare tyre if you want, but I personally use it as a nice little place to store my bits and pieces. So it is an automatic. Electric 2 out. Absolutely fantastic condition. Seats are all really nice. There's really nice piano black effect. Dual climate control. Does have a sat nav on there as well. As you can see, the car has done 15,382 miles. If you want a personalised video with a bit more detail, please do give us a ring on 01704 500 501. We can either speak to myself or one of my colleagues, and we can do a bespoke video just for you, focus on anything you particularly want to see. Once again, our phone number is 01704 500 501. Thank you.